In this video, we're going to be covering what is Google Merchant Center. So Google Merchant Center is Google's way of managing your e-commerce products or any shop products and getting them onto Google. What I mean by this is Google Merchant Center allows you to get your products in Google Shopping and all the benefits that Google has and all the platforms where Google shows off your products. So in the top hand bar here, when that appears, and in the shopping stuff here. So that's what Google Merchant does. You simply sign in, upload your products, and you can see that Google draws them down here, and you can see the title, the price, the condition, language, and why it's being listed. In this case, they're free listings. I hope this explains what Google Merchant Center is. If you have anything like an online shop, an in-person shop, you need to be uploading your products to Google Merchant Center so Google can understand what it is you're selling and then display it for the right people that are searching for that product. I hope this video helped, guys. Keep well. Ciao, ciao.